MLS Touch tips from your Miami trainers. How to save searches on MLS Touch. Begin with your search. Once you've selected your area and applied your filters on the top right-hand corner, you're ready to save a search. I currently have 27 results. Clicking on filters. For a single family available for sale under 600,000 with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths in Cutler Bay. Once you search, you can then save. On the bottom, it says Save Search tab to begin. We can name our search, Cutler Bay under 600,000, agree to. Clicking on Create to finalize the save search. Clicking on Home. We have access to our saved searches on the right-hand side. Saved searches that you've saved in Matrix will also be available under Save Searches. Both your MLS Touch options and Matrix options are here. Always more with your Miami trainers.